Hey everyone, welcome to another video. And today we are gonna solve a storage problem I have in my Montero and get a solution installed. And that is an upper cargo area storage platform that I've got from Luso Overland. They made this product available for the Gen 2 and Gen 2.5 Mitsubishi Monteros a few months ago. I bought it a few months ago and I'm just getting around to installing it since it's around that time where we typically go out on the trails and are planning to do some camping trips during our camping season here in Florida. I need to have a storage solution, which I've had storage issues in the back of the Montero, especially with keeping stuff kind of just utilizing, maximizing the space that's back there properly and efficiently. And we're going to go and install it today. So to give you guys an idea of what my problem is, um, this is my current situation here in the cargo area. Okay, so I have this storage unit here. I usually carry this that has like extra parts like tie rods and brake lines and stuff like that, just in case something happens on the trail. Some tools in there and miscellaneous things. And then I have here my camera equipment. Um, I don't have anything like fancy as far as camera equipment, but these are like tripods. I keep the lavalier mics and stuff and other stuff that I use to shoot video. I keep those in there. I got this right here. This is like a cooler. Mainly this is for like daily driving when I buy stuff at the grocery stores, just to keep it cool till I get home. Got a toolbox there, and I have always keep a cabin chair. Sometimes I eat my lunch outside when the weather's good, especially in this time of the year. So I just open the Montero up, put my cabin chair, and just chill out and eat outside where I work. Not only that, I'm not utilizing the space effectively. I feel like back here, I got a little inverter there, a jump box. I got my air pump here for the tires. I got a tool here, obviously the table. But what I've been using is this cargo net deal here, which works, but it has its limitations. I can't put anything too super heavy because it droops down, and I kind of wanted something that just is sturdy enough to stay and hold the stuff. It's a good solution, but it's just not something exactly what I'm looking for. So basically, the molle storage panel I got from Luso is going to replace that. Okay, this is the rack, molle rack set here. It's all laid out here. So this is all the pieces. It's a 4-piece kit. So you got the tray, and then you have the side brackets that mount to the Montero, and that attaches to the base. And then this is like a cover piece. It sits probably where the passenger side back seats end, that area. But yeah, it's a 4-piece set. You get the hardware kit, um, and everything's included in this hardware kit. So pretty basic kit. Should be very easy to install. So looks like it's really good quality. The surface, everything looks of good quality. The cuts are nice and clean. The painted surface looks like it's well done. Has like a matte semi-gloss paint surface, which is cool. They have a little bit of weight, but not super heavy, just enough so it's sturdy. So I don't mind that. Um, Obviously, it's being used for storage, so you want it to be kind of sturdy, so nothing, it doesn't fail or anything like that. But this looks like a very, very quality set here, and pretty excited to install it. So in this video, I'm not going to go into a super detailed instruction video on installing this storage system in the Montero. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to link Luso Overland's YouTube channel to the instructions that he did to install this on the Montero. Not only because he gives good instructions, he shows you pretty detailed instructions on how to install it, but also I also want to support his channel and bring traffic, and so you guys can see what else he offers for the Montero community. He has great products, and he's a big part of the Montero community. I also want to support him by directing you, to his channel, so you can check out his videos on installing this and his other stuff that he offers, and hopefully you can support him and support his business. He actually has the QR code and the YouTube channel link that's included in the hardware kit. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the screen right now, a picture of the QR code. So if you have your phone or whatever, you want to take a quick picture of it, it takes you directly to the video. And I'm also going to just put a link in the description on his YouTube channel. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing installed. All right, it's all installed on the Montero. It was a kind of it wasn't really a smooth install, mainly because it definitely will take a second person to be able to mount the this bottom rack part here. You're going to need to have someone to hold it in place, as you saw in the video. I had my son try to hold it in place. The only other difficult part I had was the I guess the wall threshold from the back there towards the passenger side area. You're gonna have to push up on the roof a little bit, the ceiling, the fit. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but it will fit as long as you, when you watch the Luso Overland instruction video, as long as you set the rack to where he suggested to fit that threshold, you shouldn't have a problem fitting it. But it is a tight fit getting on there, but it does work, it does fit. But overall, I mean, the installation took a little bit over an hour, mainly because some of the bolts, it was just hard getting the bolts in, especially this bottom piece here. It was a little bit difficult, but other than that, it's not a super hard install. You should be able to knock it out within an hour, especially if you have someone to help you hold it up. But other than that, fit and finish is right. It's nice. It's perfect. It's quality. It doesn't fit weird. There's no weird whatever. Everything went in pretty smoothly, other than that backing threshold over there, which is not a huge deal, to be quite honest. But it's sturdy, very, very sturdy. I mean, I'm rocking this, and it's moving the Montero, so it's on there pretty tight. But yeah, I'm very happy with it. It actually looks really good in person. I've seen the pictures, and I liked it in the pictures, but it looks really good in person. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back and see how it looks from everything I had in the Montero previously and utilizing the top rack. All right, here it is. This is the setup after installing the rack. As you can see, it is much cleaner, less cluttered as previously. I had all this stuff here, plus my camera equipment bags for my tripods and stuff, my camping chair that I put there, and other random stuff in there. It was just cluttered. It was a mess. It just didn't look right. But now it's obviously a lot much more cleaner. Um, my camping chair is up there, the camera bag's up there, my Primo Works armrest is up there. I still have decent amount of room to put more stuff. And I'm actually, once I change up my new camping chairs, I'm going for the newer, more compact versions. This is an old school camping chair. I'll have more room to put more stuff if I wanted to up in that rack. But as you can see, it is cleaned it up really nice. It's very practical. This thing is worth it. Really good quality. I can't say anything more then it's worth it. If you're looking for more storage solutions for your Gen 2 and Gen 2.5 Mitsubishi Montero, uh, this is worth it. This is a great solution right here. There you go. That is the Luso Overland storage system for the Gen 2 and Gen 2.5 Monteros. Definitely, if you're looking for solutions to solve any type of storage issues you have in the back of your Montero, this is a definitely great option. It's a great product, and it's just it solves a lot of problems if you have storage issues. But yeah, definitely check it out. I'm gonna leave a link to LusoOverland.com on the description. Definitely support Mark over there. He's the guy who runs Luso Overland. I'm all about trying to support uh, fellow Montero owners that are catering to our platform. And he's a small business, and I'm all about trying to support small businesses. He does great things. So if you're looking from anything from just fluids to your Montero to I don't know this, they have it at Luso Overland. So definitely check them out. And I'm also going to leave again the link to the video, the instructions to install this on your Montero. So thank you again for checking us out and watching this video. Feel free to subscribe and support us and our channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Later, guys.